So this scrub we are about to make can give you 2 shades lighter without using cream. You don't have to use cream to achieve a very radiant, lighter, smooth skin if you are using this scrub. So stay tuned. So welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time viewing this channel, I make DIY skincare products in this channel. Okay, let me rephrase. I make effective DIY skincare products and I also train. So please subscribe to this channel. Like my videos. I have tons of videos in this channel that will benefit you. So first of all, we measured sugar and then we measured sea salt. That is mango sea salt right there. That one you can get it in the market. It doesn't matter the flavor, mango, kojic acid, turmeric, papaya, any flavor can serve, because I feel like they are just colors. They just add color and then they put turmeric, add color, they put mango. Sea salt is sea salt, okay? So you need that in this formulation. So this scrub, I'm going to be using it because Ramadan is coming and then I don't have all the strength to be doing all my skincare routine. So this will save me a lot of time and it can serve me a lot of purpose, So that is why I said, let me just do this. So you can copy the recipe and do it. It's totally effective and then it's safe for all skin types. Yeah, you can, even if you have dry skin, oily combination, it doesn't matter. Even if you have acne, you are totally safe. So I go in with my turmeric again. I love turmeric. It's like my skin loves turmeric when it comes to lightening, smoothing, and overall glow. So it's very, very good and it's safe. It's natural. Again, we go in with sunflower oil. You can use either rosehip oil or jojoba oil, any oil that will not clog your pores. I personally love sunflower oil because you see, even those rosehip oil, jojoba oil, sometimes they clog my pores. No, seriously, sometimes they just clog my pores. So I just like plain sunflower oil. So this is my scrub activator. This jelly foaming scrub activator is very, very effective. It is my signature, is my formula. I made it myself. Okay, I use it whenever I want to formulate whitening scrub. It contains all the active ingredients needed for scrub to be effective, to smoothen the face, the whole body, to give you whiter or lighter looking skin, to give you that overall glow. It have everything in there and it's for me. So if you are going to use it, you don't need to add any surfactant. Like I said, it have active ingredients, it have surfactants in there. Like, it have a lot of things. Like I said, it's my signature. I made it myself. If you want to buy it, 1 liter is 20,000 naira. It will change the game of your scrub. If you've never made scrub that is effective in your life, if you use this together with your scrub, trust me, you will never stop. Like, you will never stop. Okay, so I love it. It's so easy to work with. You just mix your dry ingredient, then bring it. It will just bring everything in place. Like, it contains, like I said, everything in there. The active ingredient, the foaming agent, the jelliness, everything is there in this my foaming scrub activator. So if you want to purchase it, just say you are buying foaming scrub activator. I will understand. Okay, so can you see how this just come together, the scrub it's so good. Like, it's so good. So, like I said, I do train. Okay, I train you guys on how to formulate effective skincare products from scratch. So there's a link in my description box if you want to join my class. And then I put that's preservative right there to preserve everything, and then we put glycerin for more hydration. This scrub is wow. I don't want to say much about this scrub, but oh my god, this is everything. Like, I don't know, whenever I'm using this scrub, all my clients are using this scrub, know this scrub is a total game changer. It gives you that smooth skin, it gives you that glowing skin. Like, it's so good. And don't worry about staining your toilet. You're not gonna stain your toilet because, like I said, it's a wash away. Like, it's foaming. Okay, it totally wash away. It will not stain your toilet. It's so good. So when you try it, you will thank me later. Wait, sorry, if you don't have, of course you don't have my signature, so you can use shower gel in place of that my signature. You can use shower gel. Okay, just find any good shower gel and then use it to give you this effect. Okay, but then trust me, it will never be as my signature, so just know that. Okay, so please also forget to subscribe, and then thank you very much for watching my videos. I see the support, I see you. Like, thank you very much. All the positive comments I've been getting in this channel, or the energy boosting that you guys are giving me, I cannot thank you enough. Thank you very much for that. And this scrub is super thick. Like, it's so thick. And you're not supposed to be using scrub like every day, right? Like, maximum 3 times a week. So this scrub is this rubber, like this container, is like 500. It's even more than 500 grams. So it will last you for like maybe 2 months or 3 months. It's so thick and then effective. And if you don't want to be lighter, you don't want your skin to be lighter, you can skip the sea salt, and then you can just make it with sugar, and skip the whitening actives that are involved in my signature. You can just do it again plain, don't overdo with scrub, please. Just 3 times maximum a week. It will give you that smooth skin. It will give you that glow you're looking for. Okay, you don't have to be scrubbing each and every day. So thank you very much for watching my videos. See you in my next videos.